Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I am Yusryna BINTI Yusri from K1. I'm going to present about strategies to control nutritional changes in processed meat, microwave heating. Processed meats are classified as foods that have been salted, cured, smoked, fermented, or otherwise processed for flavor modification or preservation purposes. Curing and salting meat are some of the oldest preservative types of meat. Often, most cured meat products are heated or cooked in a smokehouse to enhance the meat's flavor and surface color. Mechanism of microwave heating. One simple example of heating microwaves is in a microwave oven. If you place food in a microwave oven and press the start button, electromagnetic waves oscillate at a frequency of 2.45 GHz within the oven. Such fields interact with the food, resulting in heat generation and a temperature rise. Microwave heating efficiency is dependent on the properties of the materials. In addition, the food's location relative to one another will also influence the electromagnetic field within the oven. For this reason, most microwave ovens have turntables that rotate the food and promote even heating. Nutritional changes in microwave processed meat. The ever-increasing range of processed foods is produced around the world, with microwave reheating instructions and increased applications for microwave ovens. The microwave systems have been used in industrial application for drying, pre-cooking bacon or meat, pasteurization of ready meals, and meat and fish tempering. Nevertheless, there is a growing new application such as phytoextraction by blanching, baking, and microwave. Microwave heating was used mainly in the forestry, the drying of grains, and insect control. It was also used for drying, blanching, pasteurizing, and cooking foods. Red meat is relatively similar in nutrient-wise, unprocessed and refined shape. Processed meat has slightly more fat and calories per serving, and fewer protein and cholesterol than unprocessed meat. The greatest nutritional differences between unprocessed and processed red meat are salt, which in processed meat and non-salt preservatives are 4 times more salt, which in processed meat is higher. Strategies to control the nutritional changes of the processed meat. Processed meat products include nitrite cured meat products such as frankfurters and hams, and untreated cooked products such as roasted beef and turkey breast. As the key concern for preserving the quality of this item is to avoid contact with air. Vacuum packaging is a standard practice for this, as well as for fresh and frozen poultry, and primal and sub-primal cuts in wholesale. Since the processed meats are cooked goods, the amount of microorganisms is greatly reduced, and if a low temperature is preserved, the anaerobic atmosphere of a vacuum package is conducive to an extended shelf life well over 120 days. In conclusion, it is important that we closely track the consistency of the materials used, the manufacturing process itself, and the finished goods. This involves the measurement of the fat, water, and protein content, meat pH, and color. Parameters such as temperature, color, salt content, and water content during the process, and finally the final product's color, form, defects, and packaging consistency. Thank you, and that's all from me, presenting about strategies to control nutritional changes in processed meat microwave heating.